We just installed this bathroom faucet, so here's a quick closer look. I love how simple and modern it looks. It has the H and C letters on top, so it's easy to move the handle left or right to adjust the temperature, and it's nice that you can do it all with one hand. This faucet also comes with a pop-up drain stopper and the water supply hoses. So everything you need for installation is included. And this single hole design makes it super easy to install yourself, whether it's for a bathroom sink, a vanity, or even an RV. It's made from stainless steel, so hopefully it will resist the corrosion over time. And I love how simple it is to use this pop-up drain stopper. You just click it and that's it. Definitely a great find. Check it out.